G'day people, how you going? So I'm outside. Can you hear? These birds are creating a bloody shitstorm. Have a listen to them. Here they come. Oh, there they go. There's sulphur-crested cockatoos, there's galahs, and there's corellas. Noisy miner up there, being a little bastard like normal. Now, today, well, we're heading into autumn. We're in autumn now. And for you Yanks, that is fall. Probably because you always fall over when you're bloody in this time of period. And it's noisy. So this doesn't happen every day. These birds, they're mostly noisy during sunrise and sunset like normal in every other country. And these birds are pretty much a pain in the ass, but I like them anyway. They're beautiful birds. So when you come to Australia, see if you can find a beautiful bird flying around. We have a lot of them. Hooroo.